Ever since its launch in 2015, Vipps has become a synonym for quick and easy mobile payments in Norway. It's become so ingrained in everyday life that it's hard to imagine settling bills or splitting a restaurant check any other way. But what if you don't have Bank ID, the national digital identification system often used to access Vipps? Can you still be part of the Vipps revolution? That's the question we're going to answer today, so buckle up. The all-powerful Bank ID, friend or foe? Let's rewind a bit. Bank ID acts like a digital key, allowing you to securely log into online banking services and verify your identity across various platforms. It's super convenient, but for some folks, it can be a hurdle. Maybe you're new to Norway and haven't set up a bank account yet. Perhaps you prefer alternative banking methods. Whatever the reason, not everyone has Bank ID, and that can feel exclusionary when it comes to using Vipps. A glimpse of hope, alternative Vipps login methods. Fear not, fellow Vikings. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. While Bank ID is the most common way to access Vipps, it's not the only option. Here's what you need to know. Mobile Bank ID. This version uses your bank's app as a verification tool, eliminating the need for a separate Bank ID app. However, it depends on whether your bank supports it. Check with your bank to see if they offer Mobile Bank ID as a Vipps login option. Electronic signing. Buckle up for some technical terms. This method involves using an electronic signature provided by your bank. It's a bit more complex than the other options, but it's a possibility if the others aren't available. Again, contact your bank to see if they offer electronic signing for Vipps access. The big but, limitations of a Bank ID-less Vipps experience. While these alternative methods allow you to enter the Vipps arena without Bank ID, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Here's what you might miss out on. Transaction limits. Without Bank ID, you might have lower transaction and sending limits. This could be a pain point if you frequently need to send or receive larger sums. Full functionality. Some features within Vipps, like adding new users to groups or managing subscriptions, might be restricted without Bank ID verification. So, can you really ditch Bank ID altogether? Technically, yes, you can use Vipps without Bank ID. But with limitations on transactions and functionalities, it might not be the most convenient experience. Imagine showing up to split a bill with friends, only to find your Vipps is restricted because you lack Bank ID. Awkward. The bottom line, weighing the pros and cons. Here's the takeaway. If you only use Vipps for occasional small payments, going the Bank ID-less route might be okay. But for those who rely on Vipps for everyday transactions and features, getting Bank ID is highly recommended. Making Bank ID your friend, a quick guide. If you're considering getting Bank ID, the process is generally straightforward. Most Norwegian banks offer it, and you can usually set it up through their online banking platform or mobile app. Don't let Bank ID hold you back. Explore your options. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on using Vipps without Bank ID. Remember, while it is technically possible, limitations exist. Weigh the pros and cons to see if the alternative methods work for you. But if you find yourself wanting the full Vipps experience, getting Bank ID might be the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.